Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, finally gold is out of the range. Gold was making us crazy for the last few days because gold was trading in a range. Okay. And the trading opportunities were also limited and there was no direction in the market. But finally, last night we saw that gold broke the resistance and gold is heading up. So this is a good sign that finally we have a direction in the market. Okay. And if you look at the economic calendar today, we can see that today we don't have any major event. Okay, but still we need to be careful because today is Friday. Yes. So my dear friends, be careful in the US session. If you see that market, okay, is showing crazy moves, please be careful because uh, on Friday, okay, usually profit booking happens and market may show some crazy moves. If you're a beginner, new trader, unable to handle the movement or volatility, just shut down the laptop, spend some quality time with your friends and family, but do not blow your account, do not fry your account, okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Hi, dear friends, this is the Vantage's Pro Trader platform. If you also want to trade from TradingView directly, then you can consider using Vantage. Okay, they also have a web trader tool as well. So it is very convenient to trade with Vantage. And not only Vantage is a global brand, it's a multi-regulated broker, the best for your hard-earned money. So feel free to open your account with Vantage if you use our referral link from the description. You also get access to our WhatsApp community. So feel free to join Vantage if you're looking for a reliable trading platform. Yesterday, after a breakout, gold made a high of 428586, and now we can see that after some retracement, okay, gold is taking support around 4263, where around 63 gold is taking support. But there is a problem, and the problem is that okay, market has already tested this particular level at 63. Okay, one, two, three times already. So there is a little bit of doubt, okay, with this level because market doesn't like common levels. And why 63 is working as support? Okay, we will get the answer here. You can see this was the level, okay, where market was facing resistance earlier. Remember 60, 63, okay, it was making our life very hard. The same level is working as resistance right now. And it was resistance earlier and right now it is working as support. So the same level is working as support right now. Okay, if you have taken a buy, you can hold your buy position. But if it breaks, then it is better to exit. Okay. So what was the high made by the market? It was 85. Now right now market is showing support around 63. So if you have any buy, hold your buy position with stop loss below 60. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, okay, I will suggest you, okay, to look for a buy position around the next level, which is 47. Why 47? Because around 47, okay, it was the previous resistance that will be working as new support. But one more thing I would like to add here is that okay, 50 is a round number, so let's consider 47 to 50. So once market will enter the 50 zone, you need to be cautious, okay, because there's a high chance that market may not come down to 46, 47. You may see that gold is going up from 50 also. Technically, though, we don't have any levels here, but yes, 50 is a round number, psychological support. So if it takes support around 50, I won't be surprised, and you should not be surprised also. So right now, the sentiment of the market is, I won't say extremely bullish, but yes, market is out of the range, so more or less bullish. So we are looking for buy positions only here. Okay, so again repeating, if market breaks the current level around 63, we can look for buy around 47 to 50. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. For example, during the US session, if profit booking comes, means traders, okay, who bought yesterday here, listen to me carefully. Okay, those who bought yesterday here, okay, obviously they will be booking profit. If you see that during the US session, okay, market is suddenly coming down, market is standing at 47 with a big red candle. Okay, then obviously you need to avoid. Okay, but during the daytime before US session, if things act normally, we can expect a bounce around 47.50. Then we also have a support around 24.25. So on the chart of gold, we have two support levels for the day, 47.50 and 24.25. Same old logic, previous resistance will be working as support. But if crazy profit booking comes, because see, this is gold. Gold is unpredictable. Okay, only God knows. Okay. So if something crazy happens during the US session, it's Friday after all, okay, then forget about buying and you can just follow the trend of the market. But if things act normally, then yes, we can look for buy around these two levels, because at the time of recording this video, the market sentiment seems to be bullish. I won't say extremely bullish, but more or less bullish. Okay. But if gold doesn't come down for retracement, okay, then what is the second scenario? Gold will be going up. Okay, obviously market will either market will go up or go down, isn't it? So if market goes down, we will look for buy if things are normal. Or if market goes up, then we will look for buy at breakout above 86, 87. Initially, you can look for a target of 80 to 100 pips. Once market breaks for not for 43300, okay, you can enter again. But there's a possibility that okay, the market will break 86, 87 means 4287, 4286. Why? Few days ago, remember, okay, we saw that the number of contracts at 4300 was around 6,000. Okay, but if you look at the current number of contracts, see, it has come down to 3,700. So the number of contracts are reduced. It means that the resistance around 4300 has come down. It is not a very strong support. But if you look at 4400, you can see at 4400 we still have a considerable number of contracts. So in the month of December, okay, there's a high chance that market won't be able to break 4400, but yes, there's a high chance that market will be able to go beyond 4300. Means if market goes up, market will cross 4300, but possibility of market crossing 4400 is less because of the number of contracts. If possibility arises, then we will see the number of contracts reducing at 4400. Okay, but as of now, there is a chance that market will break 4300 as well, because the number of contracts have reduced. So if market goes up during the day, we can look for buy at breakout above 86, 87 as well. And right now this level is acting as resistance. Okay, so in the US session or later on, the same level will also have the possibility of acting as support. For example, you missed the breakout, or you didn't want to buy at the breakout. What you can do is you can buy at the pullback when the same level will become the new support. So that's all, my dear friends. Just keep in mind today is Friday. Okay, today is Friday, so profit booking may come in the US session. So just keep your eyes on the size of the candle. If size of the candles remain like this, it means that the volume is more or less normal in the market. But if you see candles like this, see yesterday market from big green candles. If you see similar red candles today, then it will be a clear-cut answer that traders who bought yesterday, okay, are just booking their profit. And if that happens, as a scalper, you can look for a sell. Otherwise, you just follow the trend of the market. But as of now, while recording the video, the market is more or less bullish. I would say extremely bullish, but more or less bullish. So we are looking for buy at retracement, because we can see clearly that the previous resistance is working as support. Okay. And if market doesn't come down, we can look for buy at breakout above 85, 86. And if you do not want to take the risk, you can buy at pullback when the same level will become the new support. But again, I'm repeating, today is Friday. Do not fry your account. Sometimes the big candles are very lucrative. I know, I can understand. But okay, just keep in mind that okay, it's your hard-earned money. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.